You're coming home later and later. What's up with that? Anything I should know about?
Oh, must you always question me? I'm a grown-ass man. Why must I go through this every time?
'Cause it's weird. I don't understand why this keeps happening. And every time I ask you, you act like you're hiding something. How much longer are we going to be having this conversation?
I had enough of this. I got better things to do besides stand here and talk about nothing. Now, if you'll excuse me...
You know what? You can keep on running from this all you want, but after a while, the truth will come out.
I don't have to explain anything to you. I'll see you later. Did you bring my shit today?
No, I don't have it. I didn't know you were going to call me today.
It's no excuse. Give me my money now.
I don't have, you dick face.
I'll show you, dick face. How's that for dick face?
Order 305! Order 305!
Can I have a few more sugars?
Sir, I just gave you 50 of them. You're not the only one in here that needs sugar in your coffee. You got enough sugar right now to give everyone in here type 3 diabetes. Next customer, please.
I just don't get it. He comes home later and later every night. I mean, Drew's always been a little strange, but there's something different now. What do you think, Margaret?
Well, you know what I think? I think he's definitely involved in something. What? I just don't know. But from my experience, people usually act weird when they're doing some sketchy ass shit. I'm not trying to draw any conclusions, but you never know, right?
Yeah, I hear you on that.
Girl, I hope I'm wrong, but the last thing you want is for the cops to show up at your front door.
Yeah, I know. I love Drew, but I'm not sure if I want to have a dysfunctional marriage. I mean, I know no relationship is perfect, but this has gotten to the point where I can't even have an honest conversation with him. That's no way to live.
No, it's not. But what do I know, girl? I'm single. So take what I'm saying for what it's worth, okay? Don't get played.
All right, let's see what we got.
Yeah, I got you.
That's what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, I had to relieve one of my workers from his duties, if you know what I mean.
Come on, man. You know I got your back. When is this next drop going to be?
I'll let you know in due time. But for now, keep the boys at the ready.
You got it.
Drinking again, huh?
What? A man can't enjoy his beer in peace?
Drew. I've had enough. I'm tired of this. We need to have a real conversation. What the hell is going on with you? You can't keep running from this.
Oh boy. Here we go again with all your shit.
Will you shut up and listen? I'm not taking this from you anymore. If you want to make this marriage work, we need to be honest with each other. And you sure as hell ain't doing that now. So what is it? Is it drug related? Is it another woman? Or maybe you got some tapes lying around somewhere. Hell, you don't even touch me anymore. What's up? Tell me, because I'm really, really confused right now.
Oh, how typical of you to think the worst of me.
Well, I can't say you don't have a history.
Look, there's nothing going on. What do you want to hear? I got nothing else for you. Want a drink?
I'm glad you find this amusing. Drinking won't help you, but you know what? That's okay. I'll find out what's going on. I have my ways.
Yeah, well, you do that.
Be careful what you ask for. So there he was, just sitting on the bed and not caring about anything I was saying. I think I've made up my mind on what I'm going to do.
And what exactly is that?
I think I'm going to hire a private investigator to look into him. I need to get to the bottom of this once and for all.
Oh, I got you. I actually know somebody. Her name is Agent Karen Bennett. She's one of the best in the city. I actually work with her periodically from time to time. Girl, she's great.
Thanks, Margaret.
Just try not to lead him on to you. Who knows where that boy's head is nowadays?
Don't worry. I'll be careful. Hello?
Hello. Is this Sarah?
Hi, yes, this is she.
Hi. This is Agent Catherine Bennett. I think you left me a voice message the other day. It was in reference to looking into your husband, Drew. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. He's acting strange and it's been a problem for a while. I have a strong suspicion. I know he's doing something. The only problem is I can't prove it. But there's no doubt in my mind that he's up to something. You think you can look into it?
I can do that. Let's meet at a neutral location to discuss this further. Meet me at the coffee shop in about 30 minutes if you can. Will that work for you?
That works for me. I'll see you then.
It's good to meet you, Sarah.
Glad to meet you as well. You look exactly how I thought you would.
Welcome. Can I get you to anything?
Oh, sure. I'll take a glass of wine.
Okay, sure. And you, ma'am?
I'll take the same, thank you. So, Sarah, tell me about your husband. You mentioned that he's been acting strange and coming home later and later?
Well, I'm convinced that Drew is into something sketchy. I mean, even down to just having a normal conversation, he won't even want to engage with me. When we first got married, he never had these issues. I mean, it was never perfect, but not like this. He keeps talking about how he's grown and he shouldn't have to answer to me and all that jazz.
Sounds to me like you need a counselor rather than an investigator. I'm not trying to be funny or anything.
I know what you mean, but the reason why I wanted to hire you is because I don't want him to know that I'm on him.
Do you feel unsafe around him? Do you think he may try to hurt you?
I mean, I don't know. Sort of.
Alrighty, here's your wine. And here's yours. Can I get you anything else?
That's it for me. Thank you.
So, as we were saying,
Yeah, so Drew has been a mess, and he hasn't been violent with me so far, but I still want you to do some digging for me. And I'll try to see what I can find as well.
well, I think that will work. Just be careful.
Oh yeah, for sure. No worries.
Like I said, you don't need to be worried about money anymore.
Oh, yeah? And why's that?
Let's just say I found another source of income.
Doesn't sound sketchy at all. You know I'm not coming to see you if your ass gets locked up, right?
It ain't even like that. You tripping. By the way, why don't you hang with Sarah or something? Have a girls' night out. Maybe you just need some air.
Maybe I will. But you heard what I said.
What's going on, Agent Bennett?
Not too much. Is Officer Jace available?
Yeah, he's back there. Anything new?
Oh, just working a private case. You know, fun stuff.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, I don't want to hold you up. I'll see you around.
Later.
Hey, Cap, what's up?
Hey, Jace. Can you do me a favor and see if you can pull up anything on a man named Drew Harris? White male, 6'1", bald, married to a woman named Sarah. Last name is Valentine.
Well, let's see what we got here. Drew Harris, 42-year-old, has a history of alcoholism, had a DUI 12 years ago. Let's see. He also has a history of domestic violence when he was married to his first wife. When he was 27, he was charged for possession of controlled substances. So, he does have a good amount of history. He currently works at the Gold Bank as an accountant right off of Harper Street.
Interesting. Think I know where my next step will be. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
I know it's weird for me to ask for advice, but I really need some help.
Talk to me.
I feel like my marriage is dying. We've been together for almost 7 years now. Look, I know it's not easy all the time, but Drew is just, well, a mess. He's impossible to deal with, and honestly, he's just getting worse. Which is why I hired a private investigator, because I really don't trust him.
Has he hurt you physically?
No, but he does have a drinking problem, and he's really funny with money. I don't know, Dad. What should I do?
Well, my daughter, one thing I've learned is that sometimes in a marriage, you will face moments and times where you will just feel like you can't be with that person anymore. Lord knows I wasn't always perfect, and I certainly had my share of letdowns. Sarah, I just want you to really know what you want. but I will support whatever decision you make.
You know, as crazy as it sounds, I still love him. Even though I know our relationship's going to crap. I don't know, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. And maybe because I know I'm in my 30s and I just don't want to learn someone else. I don't know. Sometimes I don't even know what I feel.
I know how you feel, but have faith that everything will work itself out. I really believe that.
Thanks, Dad.
Anything unusual from him?
Well, sometimes he'll leave work early. In some cases, he's called out.
How often would you say he calls out?
In the beginning, he wasn't doing it as much. But recently, it's been anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week. I even asked him one time if everything was all right.
And what was his response?
He just said everything was fine, but I kind of don't believe it. I don't know. Drew has become a strange character, to say the least.
Does he ever talk about where he likes to hang out on weekends?
The only place I know of is this club he mentioned one time called the Ball Drop, though I can't say it's a friendly bunch down there.
Thanks for your time.
Sure.
Hello?
Hey, you!
Amber, hey, how are you?
Not much. Just wanted to hit you up. I talked to Margaret. She told me about everything. Just wanted to make sure you were okay.
Yeah, I'm hanging in there. It's been tough, but hey, what are you gonna do, right?
I can imagine. I know you'll get through this. You're not in this alone. I got you.
It means a lot, Amber. I'm so thankful to have friends around.
Hey, remember when we were in high school? You were always the one giving me advice about boys and stuff.
Yeah, it's funny how things change, isn't it? Yeah.
Hey, look at it this way. If it's not good for you, you don't want it anyway. Trust me on that.
I suppose you're right.
I got you, bro. Alright. Be easy, bro.
Damn, this place is jumping tonight. And they got some fine men in here.
I didn't think you liked men.
Oh, you got jokes, huh?
Hey, sweet thing.
Oh, please.
We're gonna make this drop tonight. Don't disappoint me. I don't want to have to do to you what I did to one of my employees before.
Man, chill. When have I not been successful?
Whatever. Just get it done.
Freeze! Don't move. Keep your hands up and turn around. Now! What is he up to? Who is he to you?
Kiss my ass. I ain't telling you nothing.
Tell me right now or you're going to pay. Who is he?
Alright. That's Drew Harris. He's one of the heads of the city drug gang called the Boco Crypto. The biggest drug gang in the city. There's supposed to be a huge drop tonight in the West End. That's all I know. Now let me go.
I don't think so. Strange. There's no one here. Guess the word didn't get out. This is really strange. Hello? Who's there?
Bae! Bae!
What the hell is wrong with you? Coming in here yelling like you lost your damn mind? Where have you been all night? Are you high again?
Who you think you are, my mother?
What the hell is wrong with you?
I had a big job tonight, and it didn't happen.
And what was that? Some big drug drop? I can't keep doing this with you anymore. I have no idea why I put up with this for so long. I can't do this, Byron.
Do what?
This! Being with a drug pusher. I'm tired of worried about whether or not the cops are going to be called, or you getting shot, or whatever. I'm sick of it now. I want you to leave. And don't come back.
You shouldn't be, right?
Are you crazy? You're gonna shoot me? You really are crazy.
If I leave, you leave him first.
Want another round?
Yeah, please.
Rough night, huh?
I miss my wife. I love her so much, and yet I feel like I can't love her the way I'm supposed to.
Been there.
Sometimes, I don't know, I just feel like two people at the same time. It sucks. I've been married before. Maybe I'm just not able to love anyone. Maybe it's just not in me.
Well, I'll tell you what my father used to say. Love starts from loving yourself.
So what's the deal? You gonna leave me?
What do you want, Byron?
I need you to support me.
What are you talking about? Why don't you just put the gun down and let's talk about this, okay? Byron! 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 No! Byron, please. Why?
I found some dirt on Drew. He's leading a gang in this city called the Boko Crypto. He's pushing drugs and everything.
I knew it. I knew something was strange. That explains it. I can't believe this. Why?
I'm so sorry I had to tell you this. But you know he has to be arrested.
Yeah, I know. I gotta go.
Sarah? Sarah?
Who was that?
Just a friend.
You sure?
Yeah. Who do you think I was talking to?
Whatever. Not so fast. Who was that?
I told you it was just a friend. What the hell is your problem?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean...
Save it! I'm getting some air.
Ready.
Clear.
All clear.
Unit 105. Requesting assistance at 390 Gold Street. Over.
Copy that. All right, let's move.
Sarah, where are you?
I ran to the park just to get away from Drew.
Yeah, that's why I'm calling. Where is he?
He's not there.
No, but there's a shootout going on Gold Street. He could be there.
I'm heading there now.
No. Sarah, it's too dangerous. Let us handle this.
I'll take my chances.
Sarah, what are you doing here?
I need to find Drew, come on out. I know everything. No more hiding. It's over. Just come on out. Let's talk about this. We can make it right. You know, as crazy as this all sounds, I still love you.
You can't love me, Sarah. This is who I am.
No, this is what you're doing. We can still make this work. It's not too late. Drew, I love you.
I'm sorry, Sarah. It's too late. It's just too late.
No!